Hi guys, good morning. Gagawin natin ngayon, magluluto tayo ng fresh ampalaya with pineapple. Mga ingredients, ampalaya, carrots, and pineapple chunks. Okay, let's begin. Ito na guys yung resulta pagkatapos kong imikos-mikos lahat. Hinugasan ko yung ampalaya ng asin, din pagkatapos nilagay ko yung sibuyas, carrots, pineapple tidbits at asin, kunting asukal tsaka kunting pamintang durog. Ito na guys, ready to eat na. Imikos-mikos natin uli. Guys, hinalo ko na yan, ready to eat na to. Masarap siya, hindi siya mapait. Subukan nyo na. Okay guys, enjoy cooking. Thanks, bye. Thanks for watching.